Okay, so let's look at number 8. They ask us to graph the line you found and then the 2 points you're originally given. The line doesn't go through the points. What does that mean? All right, well, I think that would mean that we messed up, right? So don't we already know the y-intercept? The y-intercept I can find from my y equals mx plus b form of the line. So it should be 0, 500. That's my y-intercept. So I know that that point is there. Okay, I want to know what happens to y when my x is 50. Okay, let's see. If I invite 50 guests, see, that is going to be 2,000 plus 500, so $2,500. So 50 guests, $2,500. All right, let's now do the 150 guests. That would be 6,500. And then the 200 guests, that would be 8,500. Wow, that looks like that lines up pretty well. So I think that we did a good job. All right, number 9 says we know that the slope of a line connecting any 2 points on this line would be 40. On 10, it says call one point on the graph XY. Find the slope of the line between that generic point and the points 150, or the point 150, 6,500. So remember, we have the slope is the difference in y's over the difference in x's. So that means we'll have 40 equals, and I will write y minus 6,500 divided by x minus 150. And then on 11 it says multiply both sides of the equation you wrote by the denominator to clear the fractions. All right, so they want us to multiply both sides by x minus 150. Do the same thing here. Looks a little messy, I apologize for that. So we end up with 40 times x minus 150 equals, let's divide out, y minus 6,500. Okay, generally people do the y, write the y expression first. And what we did here is we have the point slope form of a line. Now this will be continued on the next video.